Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for computer science exams. First, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts rather than just memorizing. Actively recall information by quizzing yourself often, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Try to explain difficult topics aloud, as if teaching someone else. This method helps solidify your knowledge and reveals any gaps in your understanding, making your study time much more effective. Next, hands-on practice is crucial. Work through a diverse range of practice problems, not just the easy ones. Make sure to write code out by hand, simulating the environment of many computer science exams. This helps you catch syntax errors and logical flaws more quickly. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to coding practice to build muscle memory and problem-solving skills. Effective review is key to long-term retention. Consistently revisit your lecture notes and past assignments. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to strengthen your memory of challenging concepts. Consider creating brief, one-page study guides for each major topic. This systematic approach ensures that information stays fresh in your mind, reducing the need for last-minute cramming. Finally, on exam day, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before. When you receive the exam, take a moment to read all instructions thoroughly before attempting any questions. Allocate your time wisely, perhaps spending 25% of the time on harder problems. Stay calm and confident, trusting in the preparation you've put in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.